see my door open. So I can put this away. And let's see if I can close it before it gets in there. I guess I do have another cold start of Dots in 210. You can definitely tell she's cold. No ass protection needed. As Dave always says. Ready to make some noise? That's all she's going to do today. That's good enough for her. Yeah, let's do a 200 SX crank. See how she does this morning. Oh, great. Snow fall on my ass. Let's see how she does. Uh-oh. No problem. Careful for blue snow. Windshield wipers are stuck. Oh well. Snowy out here today. Sunroof. That was fun. Wasn't it, guys? Yay!